All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this out there up front. I've never done any body work or any repairs of this type, so this will be a learning experience for me. If any of you guys out there have any tips on how I could do this repair better, I'd love to hear them. So let's get into it, and thanks for watching. All right, we're going to try to fix this dent in the bumper here today. I don't know how successful I'll be, but I don't think I can make it any worse. What I'm planning to do is get it up here in my press and hopefully push it out flat. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I've got a couple different things I'm gonna maybe try to use. Push that down with. Hopefully one of them will work. Well, I think it turned out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's probably about 95% there. And I could always revisit this in the future if I learn some tricks on how to do it better. And I may even try a different bumper, maybe something from an older truck. Those are a little smaller than this one. But for the time being, I think this is quite an improvement. And thanks again for watching.